If you're serious about survival, the right gear can make all the difference. From compact multi-tools to high-tech tactical gadgets, preppers always seem to be on the lookout for equipment that gives them an edge in any situation. In this video, we are counting down 40 tactical survival gadgets and gear that every prepper swears by, items designed to keep you prepared, protected, and ready for the unexpected. Some are clever, some are essential, and a few might just blow your mind. Number 1. Solar Camping Lantern. Stay prepared and illuminated with the Solar Camping Lantern 4-pack, designed for campers, hikers, and emergency situations. These versatile lanterns offer 3 charging options: solar power, USB recharge, or 3 AA batteries, plus a built-in power bank to charge phones and devices on the go. Featuring upgraded 360-degree LED technology, each lantern delivers 100 lumens of bright, long-lasting light for over 12 hours. Made from rugged, weather-resistant ABS material, they are shockproof, heat-resistant, and water-resistant, perfect for all outdoor conditions. The collapsible design, magnetic base, and foldable hanging hook make them compact, portable, and hands-free, lightweight yet durable. These lanterns are essential for camping, power outages, and emergency kits. Price at $37.99. Number 2. CamperRig Outdoor Guardians. The CamperRig Outdoor Guardian system is the most advanced solution to keep your campsite safe. Using advanced 5.8 GHz radar technology, it accurately detects human and animal movement while minimizing false alarms caused by wind or rain. The system is designed for areas where Wi-Fi is out of reach, working on the sub-1 GHz frequency band to offer a reliable range of as far as 100 meters, 328 feet. You can choose your type of alerts on the main receiver, with subtle vibrational or louder alarm options. Sensors are lightweight, AirPods-inspired in design, and charge inside the main case for convenience. Its IPX5 rated waterproof means durability in all types of weather. And with over 30 hours of battery life on one charge, you can protect yourself on extended trips. Number 3. Permanent Match. The Survive. Permanent Match is an all-weather, reliable fire starter for camping, emergencies, and everyday preparedness. Sold in a handy 5-pack, these Forever Lighters serve as a reusable, waterproof, and windproof ignition tool that functions even while wet or cold. Each match features a compact 2.4-inch design, weighing in at only 0.5 ounces, ideal for keychains, pockets, backpacks, or survival kits. Constructed from durable ABS plastic and stainless steel, the canister is refillable and will provide up to 15,000 strikes utilizing a magnesium alloy flint rod. Ideal for campfires, grills, stoves, and a wide variety of ignition needs. The Permanent Match is a practical gift for outdoorsmen, hikers, scouts, and travelers. Liquid fuel sold separately. Number 4. Mini Emergency Thermal Blanket. The Mini Emergency Thermal Blanket 4-pack is a must-have for every survival kit, bug-out bag, and setup in outdoor gear. These blankets are made from highly reflective mylar that traps body heat and can provide essential warmth during cold weather or emergency situations. Their compact, lightweight design allows for easy storage in backpacks, vehicles, first aid kits, or marathon gear bags. Strong enough for rugged outdoor use, these heavyweight polyester blankets were built for camping, hiking, fishing, and survival. Measuring 84 by 55 inches, they will give most adults complete coverage. And because they're machine washable, they're easy to clean up and reuse after each incident. For those willing to go into the wilderness, accidentally get into an unfortunate situation, or just for unexpected preparedness, this thermal blanket does bring protection that is nothing short of life-saving. Number 5. Power Card. The Power Card by Batarix is a compact, single-use emergency power bank designed for everyday carry and survival situations. About the size of a credit card and weighing just over 1 ounce, it easily fits in your wallet, purse, glove box, or bug-out bag. Pre-charged and powered by advanced energy compression technology, it stays ready for up to 8 years for those blackouts, emergencies, or unexpected moments when devices run dead. Having integrated Lightning and USB-C connectors, It provides universal compatibility to both iPhone and Android without cables or adapters. Delivering 1,600 mAh of instant power at 5 volts, the power card is a reliable backup when no other power source exists. It is recyclable upon its use through selected Call to Recycle locations. Number 6. Rechargeable Headlamp. The HiUb. Rechargeable Headlamp 2-pack combines powerful, hands-free lighting for camping, hiking, fishing, and everyday tasks. With a 230-degree wide cob strip beam, together with an ultra-bright XPE spotlight, it illuminates your whole field of view with up to 1,200 lumens. Featuring 6 lighting modes: Kobe High-Low, XPE High-Low, Red Night Vision, and SOS Strobe. All kinds of performances can be obtained, while there is a motion sensor for quick, touch-free on-off control. Equipped with a 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery, each headlamp may last as long as 10 hours. Being lightweight at just 3 ounces, the soft silicone design and adjustable headband ensure comfort for adults or kids. It is rated IPX4 waterproof and thus works in any weather. A great multi-purpose tool priced at $16.99. Number 7. Survival Kit. The 160-in-1 Survival and First Aid Kit is a fully equipped emergency bundle for campers, hikers, hunters, and outdoor adventurers. It contains 21 essential survival tools, a 15-in-1 axe, 4-in-1 folding shovel, multifunction pliers, lantern, fire starter, survival bracelet, wire saw, fishing tools, and more. While complementing these with 120 medical supplies for first aid emergencies. All items are organized in an upgraded 1000D nylon molle bag measuring 9.8 by 6.8 by 4.5 inches, offering high capacity while remaining lightweight and portable. Manufactured from durable, high-quality materials, this kit provides reliable protection in outdoor trips, vehicle settings, and natural disaster preparedness. A very practical and thoughtful present for both men and women, it's perfect for camping, tactical use, or everyday readiness. Price: $38.99. Number 8. Survival Shovel. The Zune Lotu Survival Shovel is a high-end 29-in-1 tactical multi-tool in a class of its own, built for extreme durability and versatility outdoors. With an integrated martensitic steel shovel head, it resists over 2,100 pounds of force, withstands rust in seawater for 25 days, and remains unbreakable even at temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius. This shovel includes such handy accessories as an axe, fire starter, wire saw, whistle, bottle opener, rope, and many more. Ready for digging, chopping, sawing, hammering, and emergency rescue. Its patented 7-angle quick lock system allows one-handed adjustment for rapid response in any situation. The aircraft-grade aluminum handle features a quick-release non-slip silicone grip to add strength and comfort. Extending up to 35.4 inches with 2 extension rods, it packs neatly into a compact pouch, perfect for vehicles, camping trips, and off-road adventures. Price: $239.99. Number 9. Mini Water Filter. The Nature Nova Mini Water Filter is an ultralight emergency filtration system for camping, hiking, and survival. Being only 1.83 ounces in weight, it's one of the lightest filters around, thus perfect for kids and families or adventurers who prefer to travel light. Using advanced microfiltration technology, this straw removes 99.9999% of particles, pollutants, chlorine, and harmful contaminants from raw water while enhancing its taste. The dual-stage filtration system is set up with a 0.01 micron fiber membrane and a medical-grade PP cotton filter for assured purification. Capable of delivering up to 1,100 gallons of safe drinking water at a 0.2 gallons per minute flow rate, it's bound to be vital in the realm of emergency preparedness. It can be connected to squeeze pouches, threaded bottles, hydration bladders, or used to drink directly from any natural source. The perfect filter to ensure clean water wherever you go. Price: $29.99. Number 10. Dexner Solar Charger. The Dexner Solar Charger Power Bank is a tough, high-capacity 27,000 mAh power solution for travelers, campers, and emergency preparedness. Equipped with 65-watt PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 fast charging ports, it can quickly power devices, including taking an iPhone 16 to 55% in just 30 minutes. Strong integrated magnets ensure wireless charging is effortless, delivering 15 watt for Android and 7.5 watt for iOS, while remaining fully MagSafe and key compatible. Capable of charging up to 4 devices at once, it powers your phones, tablets, laptops, and accessories with ease. Dual charging options let you top up from the sun or refill it in just 3 hours with the Type-C cable and a 45-watt adapter. Complete with a flashlight and carabiner, this portable power bank is built for real-world adventure. Number 11. Emergency Survival Tent. The Night Cat. Emergency Survival Tent is lightweight, waterproof, and designed to fit either one solo adventurer or an adult with a child. The construction material used in this model is durable. 190T nylon, upgraded fiberglass poles that are fully wrapped in a protective casing that does not let splinters through and protects your hands when setting up a tent. Its inner size is 7.0 by 3.8 by 3.6 feet, thus offering comfortable room for one person plus storage for gear. It is very light, weighing only 2 kilograms, and can easily be packed in a compact 16.5 by 4.7 by 4.7 inches, making it great for backpacking, hiking, biking, and scouting. Equipped with PU 3000mm rainproof fabric and sealed seams, it can keep you safe in storms. Mesh openings contribute to great ventilation. Easy setup in minutes, this tent is an extremely practical and inexpensive survival shelter. Number 12. Emergency Fire Blanket. The Lancreon 2025. Emergency Fire Blanket is an essential safety tool designed to put out hazardous flames. Fast constructed from 100% flame-retardant woven fiberglass fabric, this blanket resists temperatures as high as 1076 degrees Fahrenheit, 580 degrees Celsius, thus saving instantly in a case of sudden fire. The innovative oxygen-blocking design smothers the flame in seconds, effective for just about all kinds of fires, from electrical, cooking oil, fuel, textiles, motor oil, paper, and many more. Lightweight, waterproof, and tear-resistant, it's easy for anyone to use. Simply pull it out and cover the fire. Unlike traditional extinguishers, it's reusable, never expires, and requires no maintenance. Perfect for kitchens, grills, cars, offices, schools, and emergency kits, this fire blanket offers reliable peace of mind at an affordable $7.99 to $41.99. Number 13. Emergency Poncho. The Prepared 4X Emergency Poncho with Mylar blanket liner is a must-have for outdoor adventuring and emergency preparedness. Designed for serious rain and windproof protection, it keeps you dry and warm in storms, whether hiking, camping, or in survival mode. The spacious fit easily goes over backpacks. You will be able to tote along essentials hands-free while staying protected. The reflective Mylar lining traps as much as 90% of body heat for critical warmth in cold or hostile conditions. Engineered for durability, this poncho is double the thickness of a standard emergency blanket and resists tears from branches or rough terrain. Lightweight, packable, and reusable, it's a compact survival essential for any vehicle, backpack, or emergency kit. Price: $19.99. Number 14. CV Life Tactical Backpack. The CV Life Tactical Backpack is a versatile military-grade rucksack designed for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and survivalists. Constructed from durable 600D high-density polyester, it's water-resistant and built to withstand rough use. With a 50 to 60 litre capacity, the pack features a spacious main compartment, a removable front bag that converts into a fanny pack, and 2 side accessory bags to carry extra gear. The Mola system allows for easy attachment of gear, sleeping pads, or additional pouches. Comfort and security are ensured during extended use through adjustable dual-density ventilated shoulder straps, a cinching waist belt, dual compression straps, and heavy-duty zippers. For 72-hour emergency kits, camping, hunting, trekking, or tactical missions, this multifunctional backpack helps keep your gear organized and ready for access. Price at $37.98. Number 15. Half a Chance Fixed Blade. The CRKT Half-A-Chance Fixed Blade is a robust 18-inch paring-style machete for survival, hunting, and camping. The black powder-coated carbon steel blade adds to corrosion resistance while providing excellent strength for chopping, clearing, and other heavy work outdoors. The 19.5-inch blade, along with a football-textured polypropylene handle, provides an exceptional grip, even in wet or challenging conditions. Designed by famous knife maker Ken Onion from Kaneohe, Hawaii, this machete balances precision with strength and ergonomic comfort. The reinforced nylon sheath ensures safety and versatility in carrying options for camping trips, bushcraft, or survival scenarios. Built to last, the Half-A-Chance comes with a limited lifetime warranty covering defects in materials and workmanship, and thus is quite reliable for outdoor enthusiasts, priced at $60.99. That wraps up our countdown of 40 tactical survival gadgets and gear every prepper should consider. Whether you're upgrading your bug-out bag or just love being prepared, these tools can make a huge difference when it counts. Don't wait, gear up, stay ready, and remember, survival starts with smart choices.